Hello everyone. My name is Deborah Cumberledge and I'm the Youth Outreach Specialist for the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. We are talking about mermaids today. Mermaids are a lot of fun. Our story is about how to catch a mermaid. And how would you catch a mermaid? What would you do? Well, we're going to see what the children in our story are going to do to try to catch a mermaid. It's a lot of fun, so let's go ahead and get started. This book is called How to Catch a Mermaid, and it's written by Adam Wallace and illustrated by Andy Elkerton. And I'm going to be reading this book off Hoopla. You can use Hoopla with your library card and check out books and audiobooks and movies just with your library card. It's a lot of fun, so please check it out. So we're going to read this book off my tablet, How to Catch a Mermaid. And this book was published in 2018 by Sourcebooks. How to Catch a Mermaid. Last week, I saw a mermaid. It's not something I pretend. I'd really like to catch her so she could be my friend. We'd have the best adventures. I'd learn her mermaid ways. We'd tour her mermaid city. We'd swim for days and days. Hey, you two, come follow me. I need you on my team. The water's where we need to plan our mermaid catching scheme. Off they run to the water. But how to catch a mermaid? You don't learn this in school. We'll need to build a gentle trap and start near the tide pool. First, I have this jewelry box. She'll love this bait I bought her. She can't resist the treasure chest. Oh no! It's in the water! Well, mermaids love bright, shiny things. A crown will catch her eye. We'll lure her in with this new trap, and then our net will fly. Is that going to work? Her seaweed lasso snatched the crown. We'll need a different plan. Let's put a sparkling necklace down inside a clam. She switched the necklace with a rock to stop the clam from snapping. That didn't work. Now she has another prize. We need some better trapping. We made a lasso of our own and hid in the seaweed. She swam too fast for us to catch. Oh, when will we succeed? Missed again. Now let's try to switch it up and play some funky beats. Maybe that will draw her in. Oh no, there's sharks! Retreat! Sharks! Oh, they're so scary. Look at their teeth. They have to swim fast. We escaped from all the sharks. That was a scary scene. But now we need to up our game with this cool submarine. This submarine has robot arms to catch our fishy lass. But this mermaid can't be caught. She really is too fast. Look at her go. It's time to pull out all the stops. We have to be quite sneaky. But she heard our trap from far away. That treasure chest was creaky. Creak! Uh-oh. Oh no, look out, the sharks are back. We're doomed. What can we do? We used up all our traps and bait. Without some help, we're through. Oh, look who came to help them. The mermaid. Our mermaid comes to save the day. She made a trap to save us. She scares the sharks and scoops us up. She really is courageous. Oh, they're waving goodbye. Hooray! We're safe and back on land. 3 cheers to our mermaid. We'll miss her smart and clever tricks. We wish she could have stayed. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. Since mermaids live in the sea, we're going to sing a song about the sea now. It's called The Waves in the Sea. And this song is going to be sung to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus. There's some motions, so just pay attention to me and join in, okay? The waves on the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves on the sea go up and down all day long. Sharks in the sea go snap, 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 snap. The sharks in the sea go snap, snap, snap all day long. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, swish, swish all day long. The boats on the sea go toot, 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 toot. Toot, toot, toot. Boats on the sea go toot, toot, toot all day long. And the crabs in the sea go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The crabs in the sea go back and forth all day long. Great job, guys! There's going to be a couple links down below for some fun things you could do at home. One, there's going to be a craft you can make. You can make a paper plate seashell. So I hope you have fun with that. There's also going to be a link for experiments you can do at home with salt water. Well, I hope you have had a great time today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Have a great day. Bye, guys.